Whoa, what's this pulling me down? Woo! I'm trying to jump, but I just won't stay up. No. Maybe if I try somewhere else. Okay, let's move along. Wait, why does it feel like I'm going back and forth in little circles and that I'm a puppet on something? Oh well. Should we go to space? Oh, I know. Look, we can ride this reindeer. Here, reindeer. Come on, reindeer. Let's see if you can get us anywhere except for round in circles. Oh well. Bye, reindeer. Bye-bye. Hello, who are you?
Hi, I'm David.
What's your name?